How do I tell you I'm still paranoid you'll leave? How do I tell you that I worry when you say nothing's wrong? I'm writing paragraphs to find the words to say. Don't wanna upset you, but I need to get this weight off my chest. Lately you've been in and out of love, and I've been feeling in and out of touch. I'll keep you flowers while I'm still waiting, playing broken guitars in my room. Maybe I don't think you ever have to leave. Maybe the way you feel is out of my control. And if I'm honest, I know having you is too good to be true. But I can't help myself from giving you my all. Not gonna stand and watch this thing we have get torn up in two. Lately you've been in and out of love, and I've been feeling in and out of touch. So I'll keep your flowers while I'm still waiting, playing broken guitars. I only wish you'd call me back. It's been hours. I don't think you have to leave. Oh no. Even if you run away, would you be my runaway? 'Cause I'll still be standing here for God knows how many days. Even if you run away, would you be my runaway? 'Cause I'll still be standing here for God knows how many days. Maybe I don't think you ever have to leave. So how do I tell you I'm still paranoid you'll leave? How do I tell you that I worry when you say nothing's wrong? I'm writing paragraphs to find the words to say. Don't wanna upset you, but I need to get this weight off my chest. So I'll keep you flowers while I'm still waiting, laying broken guitars in my room. Maybe I don't think you ever have to leave. Maybe I don't think you ever have to leave.